Hi, it's Jim. I'm calling from the great state of New Hampshire. We heat our home with a shaver wood furnace.
You're as cold as ice. You're willing to sacrifice our love. You never take advice. Someday you'll pay the price. I know. I've seen it before. It happens all the time. You're closing the door. You leave the world behind. You're digging for gold. You're throwing away a fortune in feelings, but someday you'll pay.
This is our shaver model 290 wood furnace. We put it in 2009. We've been using it for a little over a year.
You're as cold as ice. You're willing to sacrifice our love. Blinded by the light, wrapped up like a douche, another owner in the night. Blinded by the light, wrapped up like a douche, another owner in the night. Blinded by the light, wrapped up like a douche. Madman drums, bummers, Indians in the summer with a teenage diplomat. In the dumps with the mumps and the adolescent bumps his way into his hat. With a boulder on my shoulder, feeling kind of older, I trip the merry-go-round. With his very unpleasing, sneezing and wheezing, the calliope crashed to the ground. Wrapped up like a douche, another runner in